September. And if it wasn't serious, oh, I was lucky enough to know, and I was lucky enough to wonder why. Because the summertime is all that I remember. Summerfly was buzzing every night when I was young. In a gentle world my childlike senses knew. And the world was just my cousin, and the wind was just a tone in the voice my lonely moments listen to. And look at me today, and the dreams are gone away, and I'm aware I never thought I would be seeing things I never thought I would see happening to me. And I lay awake at night till the darkness turned to light, hearing voices calling out my name, rolling over and again the same message to me, crying, who's your partner, who's your darling, who's your baby now, who wakes up at night to pull you in. It don't matter, you just make her lonely anyhow. I don't know why you even tried to win. Oh, come on now. Crying, who's your partner, who's your darling, who's your baby now, who wakes up at night to pull you in. It don't matter, you just make her lonely anyhow. I don't know why you even try